Welcome to the Smart Assistant channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download a snap from Snapchat and save it directly to your phone's gallery. Whether you want to save a precious memory or a fun moment, this process is quick and easy. Follow the steps I will show you, and you will have no trouble transferring the snap to your gallery. So, here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat app. Right after that, in the bottom left corner, tap on the Memories option. Once you open it, you will see all your saved snaps and stories. Find the snap you want to download to your gallery, then open it. When you have it open, tap the arrow icon on the right side of the screen, which will open additional editing options. Now, in the bottom left corner, tap on the Export option, then swipe from right to left, and when you find the Download option, tap it to download the selected snap. Wait a few seconds, and when the snap is downloaded, you will see a notification at the top of the screen. Immediately after that, exit the Snapchat app and open your gallery. In the gallery, you will see the downloaded snap in the Snapchat folder. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.